Filipinos are one of the most active users of the Internet in the world. But as Jackie Pascual reports, experts are urging Filipinos not to be just users of technology, but creators and developers as well. This as the country is urged to adopt the so-called open source technology.
Google, Facebook, Twitter, Uber, Spotify, and many more tech giants are all connected to open source technology. Open source, as the name suggests, is a model where source codes are open to the public for them to study, change, or improve. And because of the participation of the public, many softwares and applications have been created primarily because of the open access nature of this model. Open source software and programs are not limited to ordinary consumers. Banks, airlines, telcos, and other big industries also rely on open source technology for various programs they need. In fact, the Philippine Stock Exchange is also using an open source platform for its trading system. Damian Wong, Senior Director for ASEAN of Red Hat, a global provider of open source solutions, is in Manila, and he says small and medium enterprises in the Philippines should also utilize this technology, which is cheaper and could be better than the closed source programs commonly used today.
This is really where the disruption has taken place, right? You know, the leading technology innovations are no longer just in the playground of the rich and the powerful enterprises. It is now widely available to even the smaller and mid-sized businesses.
Wong adds, utilizing open source programs can help Southeast Asian entrepreneurs improve their businesses. But critics question the security and safety of the programs because of the open access system. Wong says its participatory feature actually prevents viruses.
Millions of people looking and reviewing the software all the time. So if you try to put something malicious into the open source software that you use, it would virtually be impossible.
For Gio Bacareza of Philippine tech company Morph Labs, it's about time Filipinos become developers of open source softwares and not just users.
We need to espouse in the Philippines not just to use open source technologies. There's a great potential for the Philippines as a country to be a major source of open source code.
Bacareza says Filipinos are naturally talented when it comes to creating softwares and programs, and if more Filipinos participate in this sector, then the next Facebook or Uber could be made in the Philippines. Jackie Pascual, ABS-CBN News.